this video, I'm going to show you how to export a video in CapCut. Really easy to do, so go ahead and open up your CapCut. And let's say you have a project, it's all ready to go, you just want to export it and save it to your phone. So what we can do is go ahead to the project, and you'll have this option on every project that you have, but at the top right, you can hit export. You can also go here to some of your export settings and make sure that these are the settings that you want. If you want to increase your resolution, anything that you really want here, and you can go ahead and close that drop-down menu and go ahead and hit export. So it'll take a second to export to your phone. By default, it'll export to your actual gallery to your device. And then what you can do here is have some quick actions set up if you want to automatically share to your TikTok, Instagram, different types of media, different types of social media, and it's really easy to do. So what we can do is just hit done. It'll bring you back to your home page, and we can go to my gallery, and the project is right here. So that, in a quick example, is how you would go about exporting a video to your device from CapCut. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.